Hello and welcome to the Cyber1 YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing an industrial endoscope. This is a C30-M.CP.01026 model. So these come in 4 flavors. They come as a 1 meter or a 5 meter long endoscope, and they come as a single or a dual lens unit, the second lens being on the side. This is a single lens unit, so bottom of the line. It cost me $37.28 including postage from China, purchased from AlliExpress. So let's have a look at it. It's got a 4.3 inch screen and a 1080p resolution, so we'll see what that looks like. So this is the unit. It takes a USB charge, through the port here, and there's a reset button. There's a manual for the endoscope. Which is in multiple languages. We've got English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian and Chinese. So information about the battery, safety and maintenance, introduction to the buttons and connection points. Right, so we've got some specifications. It does come with some accessories according to the manual. Battery life is 5 hours, and it's IP67, which is pretty good as far as ingress protection goes, with a focal length of 2 to 10 centimeters. Resolution 1920 by 1080, and we're into another language. Alright, so there's not a great deal in the manual. Comes with a USB type A to USB-C, that'll be for charging, and this pack has all of the end attachments, and that's it for the box. Okay. So that one's a small magnet, a hook, a 45-degree mirror. It's got a little cover over the face to protect the mirror, and 2 other clips. So we have 3 fixing devices, so you can make your own type of implements. The hook, the magnet, the mirror. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so what does it look like when we turn it on? So the end of the endoscope has lit up nice and bright, and it's actually showing my photo, or my image. And it's got little ties to keep it nicely wound up. and they're permanently attached. So this is the 1 meter one. Where this will come into its own is when you're trying to look into confined spaces, such as inside a robot, and you're trying to figure out where to go. Right. On its controls, we have the ability to flip the image. So if you're looking at it upside down, you can flip it over. There is a black and white mode. If you're running the dual camera mode, holding one of those buttons down will actually switch cameras. And it does tell us in the manual. So to rotate, switch cameras, long press on the 180 button will change to the other camera, and that is, I presume, mount a side viewing camera. You can turn the LED brightness up and down with these two buttons, so it's on fairly bright now, and that's off. There's also a zoom in and out, which are the bottom pair of buttons. So it's all the way out now, and you can zoom in. So this button in the middle allows you to do a compare. So it changes the contrast. So down the bottom, we've already seen there's a charging port and a reset button. The end does warm up while you're running the LEDs at full intensity. So there is a note about that in there. So yeah, really not a lot to mention about it. It's really just, all said and done, a way to live see what's inside your confined areas. It's advertised for use within cars, automotive. You know how hard it is to see in around an engine these days with modern cars. So yeah. Let's see. The screen appears to be pretty clear. Nowhere in the documentation does it say you can connect this to a computer or external device, and it doesn't appear to have SD card or any way of capturing an image, which is a bit of a downside. And holding down the contrast button, sorry, the black and white color button, will bring up the model details. Alright, well, that'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my patrons, VIPs Go Lucky and Sarad, my all access patron Jeff Gerd, my builder patrons Al Morales 45, Andrew Cadone, in supporting the channel. I also now have YouTube membership, and I have two members, Thomas McClellan and Bird Eye View. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or drop into the Discord and leave a question there. I will have my Discord address listed in the description below. And we'll see you in the next video.